Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be learning how we can do filtering of products based on multiple parameters. And one of the parameters is going to be where we can just specify a part of the product name and it's going to find out the matching product. So here you can see in our server.js file, that's the GraphQL server that we created. In that, we have our product collection, and here you'll notice that we have updated our query. Now our query expects parameters like name, min price, and max price, and the data types are also mentioned. So name is a string, min price and max price is of type integer. Now, after that, what we have done is we have updated our query over here. You can see that we are filtering the product and we are just ensuring that we have something of a like clause on name. So we are first of all lowering the case of the product name and then comparing it. If the name matches, we get that particular product. And then we have our price range filtering as well. So we have min price and max price getting filtered. And based on that, we are returning a set of products that matches this criteria. The mutation remains as is. There's no change in that, because we are not changing anything related to the update product thing. So that's pretty much it that we need to do in the server.js file. And then we have the app.js where we are actually making use of this. So from the client side, we have this get filter products now, and get filter products is expecting parameters like name, min price, max price. Category also we have introduced, but we are not making use of it. Here you can see we're just sticking to name, min price, and max price. And then we have the ID name price, and this is the in cart. That's the client side attribute that we introduced. Now what we'll do is we'll make use of this get filtered products to get the matching products, and then we'll display it. So in our app, what we have done is we have created a filter. By default, we're setting it to name empty, min price 0, and max price $2,000. We have also created a temporary filter over here so that when we make changes to our form fields, it is stored in the temp filter, and when we send the request over to the server, the result that we get will be part of the actual filter. So here we have our temp filters created with these similar attributes, name, min price, max price, and here you can see the max price is set to 0. Now we are getting the matching products from here. So we have get filtered products and the variables are being passed over here as filters. So this is what we are passing when we have filled in the form. So the request will take the filters data, and temp filters will temporarily store this data when we are making changes in the form, like typing or selecting values. Now down below, we have created this handle filter change. And one thing you will notice over here is that we are checking for these two columns because our filter query requires these to be of type integer. So when you type something in the text box, that gets converted by default to a string. So we need to convert that back to an integer, and that's what we are doing over here. We are parsing it as integer and then assigning it to the temp filter state. After that, we have this apply filter, which actually will be called when we will click on the button. And here you can see we are setting filters with temp filters. So we are assigning everything back to filters, and the query will then get executed when we'll be calling this refetch method. Now, here what we have done is we have created 3 filters. As you can see, product name, min price, and max price, and clicking on the apply filter will then send this request over to the server and we'll get the result back. Now if I take you to the browser, here you can see I've already done one check over here, like tablet within the range of $200 to $500, and you're getting this output. If I reload this page, we are getting all the products that we have. Let's say we go for headphones, and that's somewhere around $150. So what we'll do is we'll just type headphones and we'll leave it over here as partial. And then the range could be anywhere between 100 to 200, let's say. So that's the min and max price that we have over here. And now if I go and click on apply filter, you can see that we are getting the product headphones $150. So this way we will be able to fetch our product collection based on multiple arguments, and one of the arguments could be mimicking the like clause attribute. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.